The HDKATOV BC10HU, BC10HUN, a broadcast grade 4K PTZ camera built for professionals. Featuring HDMI 2.03 GSDI, 12 GSDI LAN, and SFP28 output, BC10HU easily integrates into any professional AV system. Equipped with a 1-inch Sony CMOS sensor, the BC10HU delivers 20.5 MP clarity and 4K UHD video sharp, vivid and dynamic even in low light. 12x optical zoom paired with advanced ISP delivers cinematic sharpness and smooth, natural motion. Supports full NDI, NDI, HX, SRT, and RTMPS for seamless 4K streaming on any platform, from anywhere. Genlock synchronization ensures frame-accurate timing across all cameras for flawless multi-camera production. With HDR support, highlight details and shadow textures are perfectly preserved for lifelike results. Built-in electronic image stabilization keeps every shot steady-even in motion. PDAF autofocus tracks fast-moving subjects with precision ideal for events and live shows. Supports Freed protocol for AR, VR production, bringing you immersive virtual studio experiences. HDKATOV BC10HU, empowering pro AV vision with innovation.